And now she's going to end off with a very fun piece, and especially the little ones can look at this picture, and this picture is called Spooky Footsteps. Now I want you to imagine you're going into this weird looking old house, and you listen, and you think, what do you hear? Could that be footsteps? You get a little scared, and you go a little bit further, halfway up the steps, you think, that's okay. And then